Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can report a bug in the 24me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then scroll down and click on the Help Center button. And at the Contact the Support Team section, click on the I have a bug to report button. And you will see that it will transfer you to an email platform where you can write to them in connection with some problems that you noticed or anything else. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.